Welcome to week 7 of your 40-week pregnancy journey. At 7 weeks pregnant, you may feel like you're expecting, but you don't quite look like it yet. You may have gained a couple of pounds or even lost some weight due to morning sickness. You may be glowing or struggling with acne. But no matter your outward appearance, there are certainly some big changes happening inside. Your baby's development at week 7. At 7 weeks, a baby is a little more than 1/3 of an inch, that is about 1 centimeter. That's about the size of a standard blueberry. Still so tiny. By the end of this week, your baby to be will be about double the size of last week. The body systems and physical features continue to develop, such as your baby's mouth, nostrils, ears, and eyes kicked into higher gear last week. This week, they are starting to look more and more defined. The eyelids and tongue are beginning to form. Your embryo is likely on their second set of kidneys. Babies go through 3 sets or stages of kidney development while in the womb. Your common symptoms this week. As for you, morning sickness and frequent urination may continue to begin this week. Along with these symptoms, you may also notice changes in your skin, vaginal discharge, and sense of smell. Remember, every person and every pregnancy are different. You may experience one, some, many, or all of the symptoms. Number 1. Cervical changes. Your cervix gets a lot of attention at the end of the pregnancy when you're waiting for it to efface and dilate. But there is actually a lot happening in this area right now. The uptick in hormones and blood flowing through the pregnancy increases the production of cervical mucus, which is doubled. You may notice it as a thin, milky white, odorless discharge. This cervical mucus gathers and clumps together to become your mucus plug. Number 2. Pregnancy glow. Pregnancy glow is the outward sign of pregnancy right now. More blood is flowing to your face that can give you a rosy glow, while pregnancy hormones can make your skin oily and shiny than before. Number 3. Constipation. While that telltale baby bump has yet to arrive, you might be feeling bigger than normal thanks to gas, bloating, and constipation. You can credit the increase of progesterone for that. Progesterone relaxes smooth muscle cells, making the small and large intestines move slowly, resulting in more water absorption and firmer stools. Number 4. Super sense of smell. Pregnancy can turn your sense of smell into a superpower. It's an interesting symptom that some believe helps an expectant mother avoid danger. But it can be a trouble if you're struggling with morning sickness and slight whiff, offending odor that can send you running to the bathroom. So here are some self-care tips during this week. Eating well, drinking enough fluids, resting, and taking some time for yourself are constants on the list every week. In addition, this week you may want to give your skin and digestive tract some extra attention. Number 1. Get ahead of constipation. To help deflate your distended belly and ease discomfort, continue to drink plenty of water. Get a little exercise and eat more insoluble fiber such as whole wheat, flax, fruit with skins, vegetables, brown rice, and lentils. Number 2. Care for your skin. The pregnancy glow may be due to the increase of blood flow, but pregnancy hormones may also have a hand in it. Hormones might be causing the glands on your skin to pump out more oil. Oil can give you a sheen, but it can also lead to prenatal acne. So in the nutshell, here is your week 7 checklist. Continue taking prenatal vitamins. Drink enough water to stay hydrated. Add some fiber to your daily diet to combat constipation. Keep up with skincare. Call your doctor if nausea and vomiting are severe. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel, The Voice of Woman, and press the bell icon to stay tuned for the latest updates.